How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic. Thanks for calling.
Oh, thank you for answering.
Mind if I record this?
Nope.
For YouTube, you don't mind?
Go right ahead.
Yeah, good deal. Nice. All right, so anything else you can tell me? I know you told me when you go to stop signs, it kind of wants to turn off. It's turned off on you before already. When you accelerate after that, you feel like very sluggish.
It's really...
It just started, right?
It's almost like it's doing this. It's like shimmying almost.
Okay.
And it's when you take your foot off the gas and then when you put it back on.
Okay.
While it's going, it's fine.
Yep, gotcha. You said the engine light was on, right, or no?
The engine light was on for like a year and a half.
Oh, a year and a half. Okay.
I got it fixed.
Okay. Yep.
Guys.
And then it came back.
And the engine light is not on currently.
Oh, okay.
But it's just acting crazy.
Just acting weird. Okay. Yeah, so you said you went to a mechanic, and then I believe you said they replaced the solenoids, the VVT solenoids, right?
Yeah, he said there were a couple that he replaced.
Okay, he replaced both of them. Okay. Do you know when that was? You said like a week ago or months ago?
Yeah, it was like a week or two ago, maybe.
Okay. And then did the vehicle drive better after that, or it just basically stayed the same?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, it did. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know if he changed the oil on it too?
He did.
Oh, he did? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
He said it was like really, really low.
Okay. Gotcha. All right. Yeah, that's all I wanted to know. Thank you. Good deal. Bye-bye. So these engines are known to have a timing issue, so I decided to remove the valve cover and do a visual inspection. Alright guys, so after taking off the valve cover, I wanted to see the timing chain and check this out. Check that out. Way too loose. The chain guide, there should be a guide right here. You can see that this was damaged. You see it's all cracked up. The plastic piece probably fell. I don't even know where it went. But this thing is definitely the culprit.